Welcome to the channel. Vitamins are organic compounds that our bodies need in small amounts to function properly. They play a crucial role in various bodily processes, supporting growth, development, and overall health. While vitamins are naturally present in many foods, some individuals may require supplementation to meet their daily needs. In this video, we will explore what vitamins are, the different types of vitamins, and their essential role in maintaining a healthy and vibrant life. What are vitamins? Vitamins are micronutrients that are essential for various physiological functions in the body. They act as coenzymes or cofactors, helping enzymes perform their roles in metabolic reactions. Our bodies cannot synthesize most vitamins, so we must obtain them from the foods we eat or through dietary supplements. There are two primary categories of vitamins: water-soluble and fat-soluble. Type 1 is called water-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins dissolve in water and are not stored in the body to a significant extent. This means they need to be consumed regularly as any excess is excreted in urine. The water-soluble vitamins include vitamin C, ascorbic acid, and B vitamins. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that supports the immune system, collagen synthesis, and iron absorption. It is found in citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. B vitamins are a group of vitamins that play essential roles in energy metabolism, nerve function, and red blood cell production. The B vitamin group includes B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B5, pantothenic acid, B6, pyridoxine, B7, biotin, B9, folate, and B12, cobalamin. Sources of B vitamins include whole grains, legumes, leafy greens, nuts, and animal products. Type 2 is called fat-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are absorbed with the help of dietary fats and can be stored in the body's fatty tissues and liver. These vitamins include vitamin A, D, E, and K. Vitamin A, it is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. It is found in orange and yellow fruits, dark leafy greens, and animal products like liver and fish oils. Vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is synthesized in the skin upon exposure to sunlight. It aids in calcium absorption, promoting strong bones and teeth. Dietary sources include fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. Vitamin E, it is a potent antioxidant that protects cells from damage. It is found in nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and leafy greens. Vitamin K, it is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Leafy greens like kale and spinach, broccoli, and vegetable oils are rich sources of vitamin K. Vitamins are integral to maintaining overall health and well-being. Let's now see why they are essential for a healthy life. 1. Cellular function. Vitamins play a crucial role in cellular metabolism, supporting energy production and various biochemical reactions that sustain life. 2. Immune system support. Many vitamins, such as vitamin C and vitamin D, support the immune system, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. 3. Antioxidant defense. Several vitamins, particularly vitamin C and vitamin E, act as antioxidants, neutralizing harmful free radicals and protecting cells from oxidative stress. 4. Bone health. Vitamins D and K are essential for bone health, promoting calcium absorption and ensuring proper bone mineralization. 5. Skin and vision. Vitamin A is vital for maintaining healthy skin and vision, contributing to good eyesight and preventing night blindness. 6. Nervous system function. B vitamins, such as B6 and B12, play a role in nerve function, cognitive health, and mood regulation. 7. Red blood cell production. B vitamins, especially folate and B12, are crucial for red blood cell production and preventing anemia. Vitamins are indispensable for optimal health and well-being. Whether water-soluble or fat-soluble, each vitamin serves unique functions in the body, supporting various physiological processes. A balanced and nutritious diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins can help ensure adequate vitamin intake. Additionally, for specific dietary needs or deficiencies, supplementation under the guidance of healthcare professionals can further support overall health and vitality. By understanding the importance of vitamins and making conscious choices about our diet, we can pave the way for a healthier and more vibrant life. We hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.